Hi guys, so same day, just switched the driver now, so I am out in the Ford 7600 and I've got the PZ hay bob on the back end. So I've got the hand throttle on, PTO's on, PTO spinning, sorry, and now I'm just trying to figure out Dad's lines and follow it round and spread the hay. So hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll get videos of Dad doing it, I'll get videos of me having a go as well. Right guys, enjoy this one. So I'm doing a sensible speed, we've got the revs up nicely. It's all about making sure we're turning all of these lines around. Let's have a look at the back end for you guys. So obviously, like I was telling you in my last video, the only problem with having old people you're working with is they don't know how to use technology, they ain't interested. So recording wise, it's down to me. I was hoping I'd get someone else out to come and have a record, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. So here we are in the cab. I probably should have set up the GoPro and stuck it on the cab, but didn't get time, it was a rush, it was literally swapping and changing. As you saw in my last video, I was running around everywhere like a headless chicken. So yeah, pretty excited about this, of making the hay. It's been one of the key things for us since moving down here. It's been the sort of hype as such for the last couple of months, getting it done. Now we're finally here, absolutely grilling. It's not even about this, it must be just shy of 20 degrees as well. So it's not like it's hot or anything. Not got an air conditioned cab either. I wish he took the doors off and that would have been the aircon, wouldn't it? But hey ho, beggars can't be choosers. We will work with what we got, guys. So I'm just spinning back round again, looping round. Spreading it quite nicely. Might find somewhere to set up the GoPro in a minute, so I'll have to keep holding it. This camera angle for a little bit just to see how we're getting on. I think this is about right. I'm trying to concentrate more on what I'm doing, as obviously it's something I've not done before. My first time out with the hay bob, so I don't want to be too distracted by recording, but like I've said, I've always wanted to keep you guys in the loop, get you in the action, show you what we're doing. That has always been the key philosophy of mine. I wonder if I can adjust this camera just slightly for you guys. Turn off course. Alright, so I've been going at it for about 20 minutes now. Just looping my way around, trying to follow these lines. So, show you guys outside. It's looking a lot better out there. It's nicely spreading out evenly. I think the hardest part is obviously where Dad's cut it, Dad knows his lines. I've got to figure them out as I go along. I mean, they're not too hard to see. Obviously someone who's done it for years on end would know exactly where they are. I'm going to beg someone to come out and try and record me going round. If not, it don't matter. We've got some cab footage, and we'll have some of Dad, and we'll get the drone out with Dad in there anyway, doing it some point over the next 4 or 5 days. Bear in mind, obviously it's 4 or 5 days this is going to be going on for. I don't need to record it all in one day. I like to break things down, so hopefully we'll see some action over the next couple of days with the drone. A bit more GoPro footage as well. Yeah. Oh, I really can't work these lines out, you know, sometimes. Right, I think we're about 3/4 of the way there now. As you can see, that's what's left to be done. There's what's been turned. Got to concentrate on my lines a bit here, so this is just a quick clip. Yeah. I've always felt a little bit of a disappointment in my own self in life. My achievements, they started off great. You know, I was working at 17, started off as voluntary, got myself into a good little job, you know, earned a bit of money. Time went by, I got myself into sales, enjoyed sales, and then just life just sort of changed for me a little bit. Work-wise, went into part-time work, and just never really found that sort of trade or skill. So there's one thing I've always wanted to do, it's learn something different, learn something new. And most importantly is, you know, doing it in front of family as well. Because last year we had the shock, we lost my grandpa at I think 78, 79 years old to the big C, which was quite heartbreaking for us all. And I think one thing for us moving down here is I've always wanted to try and stop thinking about what I haven't done and what I could do. And I feel like now I'm here and I can show like my granddad that I can do what he did when he was a lot younger, and that is helping out in some form of farming respect. I know we haven't got a lot of acreage, I know we're not doing a lot here, but I'm learning skills. It's a lot better than working in retail at the minute, which might have to be on the cards yet if I can't find a sustainable income soon. So yeah, I think I'm just so grateful that I am here learning and showing them that I can do these jobs. I won't shy out, I'll have a go at it, and hopefully I'm doing a good job for them and they're happy with it. Right, on to the next part of the video, guys. Right, guys, I have about 5 runs left maybe. Pretty pretty annoyed that no one will come record me outside. It'd be nice to show you the outside footage, but we will get that. We'll just have to get it with Dad. I've tried to bring a few people like, come on, come outside. Nope, not getting anywhere. But yeah, we're doing well. I'll tell you what I'm liking about this Ford, guys. This, oh god, this transit seat is absolutely comfortable. We were going to put original seat in it, but I doubt we'll do that now until we sell it. It just doesn't make sense to, as this seat is just absolutely, oh, it's good. It's good. I have a really bad turn there, better pay attention. So, as you can see, there's a few lines left there on the left hand side that I've just got to finish off. Then what'll happen is Dad will come out, he'll go, you missed that, you missed this. Oh no, he's here already watching me now, so he's going to be pissed off, but I think I've got everything. I'm sure I'm doing it just fine. We'll see in a minute. Hey, so how have I done? I've done alright, good. There we go. So you heard it from him. He's actually happy. Right, let's show you the final of how I got on. So this is day one, cutting and first heading. I'll add the rest of the videos to this one. Now Dad's just doing the edges quickly, just where he wasn't too happy with it. He started the edges, I didn't touch the edges. So beautiful Ford 7600, isn't she, guys? She is nice. Obviously wants some paint, we'll paint it up. Cab needs a bit of tidying up, that'll be done. That'll obviously feature in videos somewhere down the line. I will get onto the Massey in a few weeks maybe. I've got to go and have a holiday back in England first. So yeah, right, that's him done with his edges. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we are now going to skip to maybe tomorrow or the day after when we're tedding again. I'll get the drone up depending on the weather. Yeah, right.